In this video, we'll show you how to change the DNS server on Windows. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's like a phone book for the internet that translates domain names, like Bitdefender.com, into IP addresses, like 104.18.169.222, allowing you to visit websites without having to type their numeric IP. By modifying the DNS, you can redirect your internet connection to use a faster and reliable DNS server. This may help if you have difficulty connecting to certain websites, applications, or if your internet speed is slow. Regardless of which version of Windows your computer is running, the easiest way to change the DNS server is through the control panel. Go to the Start menu, type Control Panel into the search bar, and the icon for the control panel should appear. Click on the control panel icon or press Enter on your keyboard. The control panel window will pop up. Click on Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. In the Network and Sharing Center, click on your active connection on the right-hand side of the window, whether it is Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Choose Properties. In the Properties window, find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click on it to highlight it. Next, click on the Properties button, below the list of network protocols. Select the Radio button, use the following DNS server addresses. In the Preferred DNS Server field, enter the primary DNS server address you want to use. To demonstrate, we are entering the Google DNS addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Alternatively, you can use any of the other trustworthy DNS addresses shown on the screen. Enter 8.8.8.8 in the box next to Preferred DNS Server, and enter 8.8.4.4 next to Alternate DNS Server. Click OK. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. That's it. You have successfully changed the DNS on your Windows computer. If you're not happy with your new DNS server, you can always change it back or try a different server. To undo the changes, select the option Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically. This reverts your custom DNS settings back to using the servers provided by your internet service provider. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help, the Bitdefender support website.